Hello, second graders, and welcome to our tools tutorial. Many of you have been using these tools and manipulating them and experimenting and seeing how they work, but I wanted to kind of just show you a few little things that can be helpful. So one thing to remember is that if you click on the diagonal button and raise it up and down, in and out, your text box will get bigger and smaller. If you pull it out from the side, your text box will get longer, so that's great for when you have to fit a sentence on a line. Also, if you click the three dots, it will give you more options. So you can take the border out, put the border back in, you can fill the background, you can change the font to match the assignment, make it clear to read. Another thing that would be really helpful to remember is the duplicate tool. So maybe you're doing a math assignment and you just wanted to change one of your numbers. You can duplicate it and then click back and then add whatever text you need to. So that's also really helpful. Something else that is very helpful is the undo button. So you may be working and trying to fix something and then it ends up getting all twisted and turned around or upside down. If you go up here and press the undo button, it will bring it back to whatever the original text was. Some other things to remember, we have colors over here on the side. Down here we have other tools. We have drawing tool, pen tools that are good for different things. We have a marker tool, which we will be using tomorrow for an activity. Then we just have some more fun tools, the eraser marker, and then the eraser tool. But again, instead of the eraser, I would suggest just using the undo button. You can also use the redo button if you want something to come back. More tools to remember. The three dots will bring up shapes. Shapes are really helpful for math. Here we have some tens, hundreds, and ones that you can use. Remember, dragging from the diagonal will make it smaller. In the shapes, we also have arrows, which are good for recording and pointing to different things. We have some math tools here. You won't be needing this one. But we have other math tools that will be helpful for various assignments that we will have. So those are the basic tools that we will be using. There are some more fun ones that aren't really as necessary, like the little background tool. But these are basically the ones that you're going to need to use. So remember to use that finger tool if you need to go back and adjust a movable object, such as a text box. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions, let me know, and I will be happy to help. You're doing a great job of using